Now let's download and install the driver for the macOS operating system. So to do this, I go to www.wacom.com, and on the Wacom site, on the top line, I click on Support, and on the Support side there's a blue button, Drivers and Downloads, and if I click there, I scroll down a bit, and here the page is showing up the latest drivers, and I download on the left side by clicking on the blue button for download the latest Apple Macintosh driver. Okay, just confirm download, and here we go. Okay, after successfully downloading the macOS driver, I start the installation by locating the driver in the downloads folder and double click on the respective DMG file. Okay, now the driver installation utility opens, and there's an icon saying install Wacom tablet PKG. Double click on that one again, and now the driver installation starts. Click on continue. I happily agree to the license agreement by clicking on continue again. Okay, and clicking on agree. And now finally, after clicking on install, the Macintosh operating system is prompting me for my security password, and then I can install the driver. And then, very important is, the installer has to modify some of the security settings on your Macintosh. So please make sure that if this window pops up, you always click on OK, because we have to do some important settings to make your Wacom tablet works successfully. Just click on OK, and everything is now done in the background by the Wacom installer. And after you will be prompted the installation was successful, click on Close. If you want, you can move now the obsolete Wacom installer to the trash. And here we go. Plug in the USB-C port to the Thunderbolt port on your Mac and switch on the Cintiq Pro with the button on the back. After the driver has been installed successfully, the Wacom setup wizard will pop up and will guide you to some basic steps in installing your Cintiq Pro 27. And just click on Start, and then you will get a quick introduction on the Express keys, on enabling or disabling the multi-touch feature by using the appropriate switch on the back side, and how to register your Cintiq Pro 27 to get access to the bundled free software, and also to register for future offers coming from Wacom. And to do this, you can simply click on Register My Device. And if you want to immediately start working with your Cintiq Pro 27, just click on Skip, and then you can start doing setup in your driver. Now let's click on Register My Device and see what happens. I can either sign in to my already existing Wacom account, or if I have never registered yet, I can use my social media or my Google accounts, or I can just click on sign up to set up my own Wacom ID account. But I have entered my credentials here already, and now I click on submit.